Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, and it is March 6th, and this is my PM recap video where we take a quick look at the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and also gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of this video in the corner and the description. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all the benefits down below and more. So anyways, euro dollar finally made a pullback today, finally this afternoon, at the 61% Fibonacci retracement level from the daily time frame. Now, one thing we have to keep in mind is there's a big difference between a break and hold below structure and a rejection of structure. Sometimes a rejection of structure can mean that it's just like an expanding ABC correction and that it might just continue the uptrend. So be very careful. I actually would want to see this thing hold below structure with most some momentum, and then I would probably want to see a pullback before I'd be too interested in going short. I definitely think this move down is a correction, but if it's a correction to the whole trend, which I would think it is, if it does break structure, then I would expect to see at least a 38 or 50% pullback. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll, and I don't think we have enough time to make a full ABC correction before tomorrow, so we'll see how it looks tomorrow before the non-farm payroll news. So let's move on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar also did break structure today, as you can see. Definitely a break of structure on this time frame. First one so far. Could tell us that the whole trend is over. If the whole trend is over, I would expect to see at least a 38 or 50% pullback. The pound dollar also turned into 61% Fibonacci also from the daily time frame. So what I would hope to see now is some sort of a decent pullback, maybe even something all the way down to the 38%. I would like to see a decent pullback because then I could go long for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. But we have to keep in mind that the trend is very, very strong. This could literally just make a little teeny pullback, maybe down to like the 23% or something, and then tomorrow's non-farm payroll news just continue the uptrend. So still would be a little bit on the cautious side with sorts, but at least we got a break of structure to the downside. And moving on to gold. Gold overall has been a little bit on the sideways side so far this week, a little slow going. Yesterday I was saying that this right here could possibly be the top of an ABC correction. And I still think that could be true. And if it is true, this could make a lower high and turn down. But to be honest with you, now that I look at it a little closer, I'm wondering if this is three waves, three waves, three waves for like a WXY, and that this is the A and this is the B of a WXY. And now potentially it's going to go up for a wave C. So I would have to see a pretty impulsive turn to the downside with a lower high to believe it's going down. Otherwise, I would expect to see the 78 or the 88% Fibonacci retracement for possibly a wave C. And either way, I would definitely want to see a turn at a Fibonacci level because there is always a chance that the higher time frame big uptrend would continue. So make sure that you see a nice turn at a Fibonacci level before you do commit to any big sorting opportunities. So anyways, like I said, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading to everyone.